Hazelwood of Surplus Warehouse, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the business.
Okay, well, Surplus Warehouse has been in Augusta for 2 months, but has been around for almost 100 years. We have 105 stores, and we're just now hitting the Georgia market, and we're happy to be in Augusta and part of the Metro Chamber.
So you have flooring, cabinets. Tell us a little bit about all the products and services you offer.
Basically anything do-it-yourselfer, somebody that's got tenants or rental properties or house flippers. We have everything that you need, from bathrooms to kitchens. We specialize in flooring, we specialize in doors, windows. Cabinets is a huge deal for us. We have everything from unfinished cabinets to top of the line. All of our cabinets are all wood, they're not pressed. They're not what you find in a lot of the big box retailers.
Which is great, especially for our homeowners that may rent their home for masters. Lots of people, especially this time of year, doing renovations and do-it-yourself projects. So very important. Well, we certainly appreciate you being in Augusta, and we've already done your ribbon cutting, so you have really gotten out there into the market already. Tell us a little bit about your decision to join the chamber.
Biggest thing was we needed to get into the community, and we saw a lot of events going on with the chamber. Ribbon cutting was huge for us. We actually have a bowling alley next door that had been part of the chamber, and so all that just came into fruition, where we decided that, hey, that's the quickest way and easiest way to get our name out there, and that this chamber has been very active, and we're very pleased.
Well, thank you for that. We certainly appreciate your membership. What would you say to anyone that may be considering joining but hasn't yet?
Jump on it, because time is now. It is amazing how much word of mouth that gets out there, and I'll say just Blair has been an active part in helping us get out there also.
Well, thank you, and we appreciate your time. We look forward to supporting you for many years.
Thank you.